Hello guys, in this lecture we will convert our Python script into standalone EXE file where it can run on Windows without the need of having a Python compiler. The steps are very straightforward and we will use a tool called PyInstaller to do the job for us. So let's get started, and right now I am inside the Windows command line and I will just do pip install PyInstaller. And by the way, pip, when you first install Python 3 in Windows, this bundle comes with pip, so you don't need to install it manually. Okay, so right now I am in the desktop directory where I do have the client script that we have coded earlier on the same directory. So all what I need to do is to do PyInstaller, and then I will do -f. -f means generate one file without any external dependencies, and I would also do -w, which means do not show a console window. So this means when the target double click on the EXE file, please do not generate any new window. And last thing to do is to point out to our script. I will go ahead and click on enter. So this should take few seconds. Okay, and once it's finished, you can go to the destination folder, which contains the EXE file that we have just generated. I will just cut this one and paste it to the desktop. And last step is just to test. So I have the Kali Linux running here, and all what I have to do is to double click on the EXE file, and as you can see, we got our shell. But let's go further and test the functionality. So let's go, for example, who am I, ipconfig, and let's do, for example, directory, and let's try with wrong command. Okay, so let's again test the functionality for file transfer really quick. So I would do video.mp4. We can see the file has been downloaded here. And let's try with the wrong one. So let's do, for example, video.mp4. We should get unable to find the file. And finally is to terminate, and that's okay. Okay guys, I hope that this lecture has been informative for you, and thanks for watching.